about states like Delhi, Telangana, which has not given any kind of relaxation. In fact, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal just yesterday said that no relaxation will be given in the national capital, and in fact, all the 11 districts in the national capital will now be looked at as hotspots. And this after we have seen over 1,800 positive cases being reported from the national capital. Now, Arvind Kejriwal also raised concerns of how many of the asymptomatic patients have also been now tested positive in Delhi. He also said, while giving out some figures, that out of the test of 736 tests that were conducted on Saturday, at least 186 asymptomatic people have been tested positive. Now, he further added that these people did not even know that they were infected by coronavirus, which right now is a worrying situation.
दिल्ली में कोरोना के केसेस में बढ़ोतरी होनी शुरू हुई है। हमने टेस्ट भी ज़्यादा करने चालू किए हैं। पिछले कुछ दिनों में हमने काफ़ी टेस्ट किए हैं दिल्ली के अंदर, और कोरोना के केसेस में बढ़ोतरी भी चालू हुई है। कल हमारे पास 736 केसेस के टेस्ट की रिपोर्ट आई। उन 736 में से 186 कोरोना के मरीज़ निकले, यानी कि 25% लोग कोरोना के मरीज़ निकले। 186 तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है। ये 186 के 186 सभी एसिम्प्टोमेटिक हैं। इनमें किसी में भी सिम्टम्स नहीं है। किसी को बुखार नहीं है, किसी को खांसी नहीं है, किसी को सांस की शिकायत नहीं थी। उनको पता ही नहीं था कि उनको कोरोना है। उनको पता ही नहीं था कि वो कोरोना लेके घूम रहे हैं इधर उधर। ये और भी ख़तरनाक बात है कि कोरोना फैल चुका है। बहुत सारे लोग कोरोना लेके घूम रहे हैं, और ये बीमारी ऐसी है कि किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता कि मुझे बीमारी हो गई है कई बार।
Let me go across to my colleague Alok, who's joining me live this morning, getting us those updates there. Alok, good morning. In a way, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, has justified why there is no relaxation that has been given in Delhi because of the concerns raised on how asymptomatic patients in the city have also been tested positive. Additionally, Alok, what are the other measures that the Delhi government is currently looking at? Because Arvind Kejriwal has also said that they are looking at several measures to ensure that the spread of virus can be contained at this point.
Well, Guruma, good morning. And in fact, only lockdown is the only measure that what we can say. And in fact, what the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has also said that lockdown will remain continue and there will be no relaxation, because he has already mentioned about 186 cases which turned out to be positive, and they were all carriers, and because they were not aware about the fact that they are corona positive, and they were all non-symptomatic, means that they were not having any kind of symptoms, and despite that they were roaming around the area. So definitely the scare is very much, and in across the national capital the situation is very much critical, and this is the reason Delhi Chief Minister has announced that there will be no relaxation in this whole process in the lockdown. And as of now, if you talk about the figure, 45 persons have already lost 2,000 cases, which is one of the highest numbers of cases across the country. That 2,000 cases have already been reported in the national capital. 78 containment zones have been made by the government. Definitely in the containment zones, the cases are coming out. In fact, in one of the containment zones, zones that is in Puri Northwest area, 26 new cases came out. So definitely the people are staying in containment zone. They are also not following the lockdown orders. And despite that, 26% came out. So Arvind Kejriwal has announced these people who are in the containment zone to follow the lockdown orders, and across the capital, those who are in the lockdown, they have to follow the lockdown orders. We hope that after 1 week, because Delhi Chief Minister has said after 1 week they will assess the situation, then only announced the further course of action.
All right. Also, Alok, what is the status right now when it comes to the testing facilities and the capabilities in the national capital? We understand the past couple of days, at least 42,000 of the rapid testing kits were delivered to Delhi. What is the status right now as far as testing is concerned?
Well, Apurva, sample testing is already going on, and in fact, thousands of people have been tested. Out of those, 2,000 people have already been found out to be corona positive. Apart from that, because the rapid testing, which was the dire need by every state government, Delhi was also wanting that. In fact, Delhi government wanted around 50,000, but 42,000 have reached. Now the government say that. From today onwards, they are starting the testing of the people who are staying in containment zones. So first, they will test the people who are staying in containment zone all around the area, the hotspot areas. They will first test the people who are staying in these particular area. Then they will further move. So definitely, the rapid testing is being starting from in the national capital as well. We hope that the result will come out, and we also hope that in the coming days, the number of cases of corona will also be start decreasing.